こんにちは皆さん、私はレイジです。So, it's been like なんか超久しぶりだよね。So, I'd like to apologize first of all. I know it's been a long time and I'm really sorry about that. But I guess for me, what's happened in the past, over the last few years, it's been about 2 years since I put up a video in any way, is the fact that many YouTubers today that you watch, they're such good quality. I mean, look at YouTube. It's really gone from just a blogging site to something that's really cool, has a really interesting shows and covers all sorts of topics. And they have production crews, some of the groups and whatnot. And then there's my videos, which are made in my room, and it's not very cool in any way. And it's just talking about topics I'd like to discuss. And so I guess I got intimidated by them and I stopped. But what I realized, and I've been thinking recently, is that the original reason I made videos was not necessarily to be the best quality or to be perfectly edited together. In fact, I'm probably not going to edit this video at all today, because otherwise I won't put it up, because I don't have time and I don't have the patience to do so. But yeah, the reason I made videos in the first place was to talk about topics that I couldn't find elsewhere, or that the sources were very, very small and I wanted to know a lot. Before I came to Japan, I wanted to know everything I could about the country. Not only because of interest, but because of, it's scary. It's really scary to move to a completely different country, completely different culture, not the same language. It's not an easy move to make. And I wanted to know a lot more about it. And so then when I came, I thought, well, I'll make the videos that people are not. And of course there are some YouTubers who do make some videos, but it's a pretty small group that still does, in my opinion. So, yeah. I guess what I'm trying to say is that I'm going to start making videos again. And while they may not be the best quality or maybe the best topics, and maybe they're boring sometime, I'd like to try again one more time. So anyway, the question I want to ask you guys today in this very short video is, what kind of things are you interested in? What do you want to know about Japan? A little bit of my background. I came here when I was 17, did a homestay, went back to the US for a year, graduated high school, and then came to university here in Japan. And I've been here about 3 years now after that. So I've entered a Japanese university. I've never been to a US university, so I don't really know much about that. But yeah, so if you have any questions or any concerns, put them in the comments below, and I'm going to try to answer those questions first of all. And when I feel like it, I guess I'll just talk about a subject that interests me for that week or whatnot. So I want to thank you for watching previous videos and watching this one, and I hope that we can use this as an interactive base, because the great thing about internet is it is interactive and we can talk no matter which parts of the world we're from. We can get opinions from everywhere, and that's really cool, in my opinion. At least. So anyway, I look forward to your comments below, and I'll see you around. またね